Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. In this class, we are going to revise your first lesson, a computer system. Okay, what do you mean by computer? Computer is an electronic device. What are the parts of computer? Keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, printer, speaker, web camera, joystick. Okay, these all things you are discussed in your first and second standard. Okay, today we are going to discuss about hardware and software. Okay, the computer system can be classified into hardware and software. Okay, all of you understand the whole computer system is divided into two types, hardware and software. Hardware means the physical parts of the computer are called hardware. The physical part of the computer are called hardware. That can be we see and touch. Okay, all of you understand what do you mean by hardware? The physical part of the computer can be called hardware. That can be we see and touch. Example, keyboard, mouse, then CPU, speaker, etc. All things are undergoes hardware. Hardware can be see and touch. Okay, the physical part of the computer called hardware. The hardware can be again classified into three types, input devices, output devices and storage devices. Okay, all of you understand the hardware can be classified into three types, input devices, output devices and storage devices. Input devices means we give data to the computer. The devices are used to give data to the computer are called input devices. Okay, the hardware means the physical part of the computer called hardware that can be see and touch. The hardware can be divided into three sections, input devices, output devices and storage devices. Input devices means the devices are used to give data to the computer. The input devices are keyboard. Keyboard is used to type the instructions. Then another one is mouse. Mouse is used to play games, draw pictures and select items on the screen. Then another one is web camera. Web camera capture images and videos as input. Then another one is joystick. Joystick is similar to mouse. It is used to play games. Another one is microphone. The microphone is used to record the sound. These are the input devices. Okay, all of you understand. Input devices means the devices used to give data to the computer. The input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, web camera. Then output devices. The output devices are used to display the result. The output devices are used to display the result. The output devices are monitor. The monitor is similar to TV screen. It is used to watch movies, cartoons, etc. Then another one is speaker. Speaker is used to listen music. Another one is printer. Printer is used to take the printout of a output like the photocopy. Okay. Then another one is storage device. The storage device is used to store the data. The storage can be classified into two types, internal storage and external storage. The internal storage means inside the computer and the external storage means outside the computer. Internal storage like hard disk, magnetic tap. Then external storage means we keep the data some another place like CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay, all of you understand this classification. The whole computer system can be classified into hardware and software. The hardware is again classified into three sections, input device, output device and storage device. The storage device again classified into two sections, internal storage and external storage. Internal storage means we store the data inside the computer like hard disk, magnetic tap. Then external storage means we keep the data outside the computer like a CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay, another one is software. Softwares are the application program. Application program means set of instructions. Softwares are the set of instructions. It is used to do a special task. Okay, all of you understand. Software means is a set of instructions. It is used to do a specific task. The software can be classified into two types, application software and system software. The application software used to do a specific task in the computer like MS Word, MS Paint, then MS Excel, Notepad, etc. Then system software is used to support the working of the computer. Example, operating system. Okay, these are the classification. The whole computer system can be classified into two sections, hardware and software. Hardware means the physical part of the computer called hardware that can be we see and touch. The hardware can be divided into three sections, input device, output device, storage device. Input device is used to give data to the computer. The input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, web camera, microphone. And the output device is used to display the result. The output devices are monitor, speaker, printer. And the storage device is used to store the data. The storage device divided into two sections, internal storage and external storage. Internal storage means store the data inside the computer. Example, hard disk, magnetic tap. Then external means store the data outside the computer. Example, CD, DVD, pen drive. And software means is a set of instructions used to do a specific task. Software can be divided into two sections, application software and system software. Application software used to do a specific task like Notepad, Word, MS Paint, etc. Then system software is used to support the working of system like operating system. Okay, all of you understand? I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.